Welcome, my friends. In this video, we'll explore 7 simple ways to test black diamond at home without needing complicated devices or expensive tools, but remember, always handle the stone with care. The first method is visual inspection. Check the color and luster, as real black diamond appears dark with a subtle shine, while imitations may look glassy or contain bubbles. The second method is the hardness test. Since diamond is the hardest natural mineral, but avoid pressing or scratching too hard, just observe if the stone is affected by light contact. The third method is the fog test. Breathe lightly on the stone, and if the mist disappears quickly, it's likely a diamond, while it lingers longer on other stones. The fourth method is to observe internal reflections under strong light or on white paper, as diamonds reflect light in a unique, scattered sparkle. The fifth method is weight comparison. Because diamonds are denser than most stones, with a precise scale you'll notice the diamond is heavier than a similar-sized stone. The sixth method is the glass scratch test, where a real diamond can scratch glass easily, but be very careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the stone. Finally, the seventh method is the transparency test over printed text. If you cannot clearly see the letters through the stone, it's a good sign it's real diamond, unlike glass or quartz imitations. And if you're still uncertain after these steps, the best solution is to take the stone to a professional jeweler or gem lab for a reliable test. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your opinions and experiences in the comments.